guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be our educational tour as a first year tourism student, and it's gonna be my first time riding a bus from our school, so I'm very excited. And it's currently 5:11 right now, and we need to be there 5:30 because we're going to do an assembly and we're going to travel at 6 a.m. so I need to hurry up. I'll see you later. Bye. Hi. Hey guys! Hi! Ang late! Late! Apil ay, late! Late! Say hi! Hi guys! I-post mo ko ni! This is us before the... Hi Mayor. Hi. Hi JM. Hi Clay. Hi. Hi. Hey guys, we're here now in the bus. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, we're going to go to our first destination, which is I don't know yet. But it's very cold, guys. I love the interior of this bus, and my partner is hi. This is my seatmate, Ati Verge. Hi. This is our mother of our section. So yeah. But it's okay. We're still going to the same destination. So yeah, I'm gonna update you guys if we're gonna go now.
I'm just hoping, that we can achieve whatever objectives that you have. So all you have to do, just try to cooperate, and then
some of you will do the tour guiding job later, but I would just also to share with you like what is a tour guide is.
We're gonna have our seminar. So, yeah. Dami na namin dito, bro.
Dali na tayong exit later para din sa taas.
Hey guys, update. We're here at Marco Polo already. Going to have our orientation seminar here for a while, and then yeah, we have this ticket for our AM snacks. I don't know when they're going to distribute it, but I'm very excited. Right?
Yes, I have two.
Di ba di si Kisha ang Nikon, they reply. Yeah, we're just waiting now, guys.
So, you also have to be well-groomed, especially in the hotel industry, kaya you will face guests most of the time. So, you should have your clean uniform and well-pressed.
Hey guys, so we're done with the orientation. We're now going to visit some facilities. We're gonna visit some facilities here in Marco Polo. Are you excited, guys? Yes. Okay, let's get ready. Oh wow, I think I'm gonna take pictures. Wow. I love it. It's so big. Ako ay nabubuta. Basta this is where they actually celebrate the New Year's or any celebrations that they will hold. Yeah, it's very cool here, guys. Nice king weather because it's not too hot and it's not too cold. It's just perfect. We're taking pictures right now. I love it so much, guys. Look, guys, as you can see there, parang ano parang pang helicopter. Hi, Suri! We're now going to head back inside since we're going to visit some more places here in Marco Polo. So, yeah. Guys,
Sige, ma'am.
para kaming sardinas dito.
One of the door closing.
Say hi, Kuya Koy.
안녕하세요. 다시 lang ba? Koy des. Yorige guys si ma.
So we're gonna visit some of the room here.
Proceed to other side.
Oh my gosh! Huy, over. So that was their bathroom, guys. Their room now. Hi, Abby. Oh, look. This is their room. They have this table. Yeah, that one. Sige, go. This is their mountain view. The same gihapon siya nga bathroom. Wow! Wait, I love. So now we're gonna go to El Viento, which is like a restaurant that is known for their wind. I love it. I love it. Do you love it? Yeah. Yes. Wow! Pwede na tayo mga ligo. Best El Viento. This is their lobby front desk. We're going to the next restaurant, which is going to be Hai Xin Lao, which is a Chinese restaurant. The most exciting part is snack time. Snack time! Nagunaon na si Faye. Guys, we're with the mayor and our little boy. Yes, yun na naman. And here with my friend. Time lapse. 5 minutes lang yung aming kain dito, guys. So, dapat paspasa. Hey guys! Hi! We're gonna eat snacks already. This is their snack, but it's already eaten. We're just going to wait for our food. Abby, what's your food for today?
It's, I don't know what sandwich it is, but pancit bag.
What's your juice?
It's, I don't know.
Taste it.
Mango juice.
Mango juice. Oh my gosh. Kanina lang. 5 minutes lang yung binigay nila sa amin, bro. Pero hangtod karon day wa kaya po nakuha guys. So kanang manam 5 minutes day. Di na mga onday. Our food is here. Okay. Lo. Cut on ka, mamputik. na guys!
Mine looks so dry.
Eat na muna kami. Guys, we're going back to our bus now. Say bye-bye to Marco Polo. We're gonna go to another destination. So we're gonna go back to our bus muna. Okay? It's love kami.
Guys, ikasarin ka niya guys kay sige siya ka ano guys na muroyong kasi ginuon na ako guys kay di naman siya kaurot sa iyang bread guys no sa turka bread ni ano maganda na abot sa atong second location so magshika-chaka lang sa
Sure, we will have our LLEX. Nanantay CCLX no. And now, kanakita mo na kanang puti dira nga gibutag nga anapog. That will be our fourth bridge here in Cebu. And the project, they said, the rumor said they will start this one at the middle of year 2026. So probably around July. So ilan ni kano.
Hey guys, so we're here at, where are we? Gora.
Behind the Akan Airport.
Yes.
We're going in.
We're going in? Well, we're gonna go to the hangar, which is... Anong tingin-tingin mo dyan? Well, we're gonna go to the hangar and yeah, we're gonna experience new things na naman. Hey guys, where are we now? We are at hangar.
Ay, nanapod siya.
Guys, we just witnessed a Sanrio airplane.
Ay, kita na ko naman.
Ako, first time na ako.
Kuan niya mo anang Sibutap owned by Mayor Arnado. And muna among kuan mga employees na mo kami. Ako piloto, Anton. And then si Sir Terso amo kuan.
That's why mahal kayo.
pila dai mahal
You can go inside, guys, but don't touch anything. That, look at the size. You go there. Let's compare the size. Cute Kisha. Kisha, you tour us to the... Yes?
Seaters inside, including
Wow.
the pilot and the co-pilot.
So it is like kanang VIP siya.
Yes, it is, and it is also for cup holders.
Let's go, Kisha.
We're inside this really cute.
Ali, for money, dali ba? Dali ba? Yes. Look,
Like my-
Kisha.
So I'm your co-pilot for today.
And I will be your pilot. Yeah. How cute ani. What? Ambina.
Kabutan ba ni JM?
Thank you, JM.
Can we not touch it?
No, we cannot gani. No.
Ano lang ka day? Bro, I took a lot of pictures already, so I think it's enough.
I felt suffocated inside of it. We're gonna go back now. I think, guys, so we're done going in. So one of the planes, what is it called? It's like the smaller plane. And then we were able to go inside thanks to the kind kuyas there. So yeah, we're so happy.
They were so sweet.
Yeah, but I think I didn't get enough footage because I felt claustrophobic there, guys. But that's okay because it was worth it. We're now going back to the bus. Say hi. Hi, guys.
The war happened, so let's say it down for the dictatorship. So other also historian believes that might be happened in the
in the afternoon as well. But there is, again, in our history, there is not yet a concrete evidence, but good thing we have our different historians and philanthropists who keep studying with our history here in the Philippines. So, looking at
kami sa Mactan Shrine, pero manami ron. Ha ha ha! Where are we going next? Buffet 101 na dyan. We didn't really enjoy here because it's too hot. So, guys, we're back in the bus. It's so freaking hot that we didn't enjoy the freaking. Ay, grabe siya. Funny niya. Funny kisyo to. Okay, guys. Cold down muna, guys. It's so freaking hot. I'll be back if final destination namin sa Buffet 101. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so we're going to Buffet 101 now because it's already, what time is it? 12:34. We're past lunchtime already, but yeah, we're going to Buffet 101 and hopefully we'll get a lot of food. Yeah. Buffet 101. Wala lagi sila yung name. Huh? There. Buffet 101. Guys, we already bought a lot of food. So, kakain muna kami kasi look at my food, guys. Look at my plate. It's a mountain of food. Okay, alauna rami ko to. Let's go. You want? Mushroom soup. Kapag kapag appointan. Birthday. Hala, nabe Karin, nabe name. You're so cute. Yeah. Baka nagmamay. Wag ka rice, puro rock carbs, bro. Dili, food. Eat well, guys. Happy to mahumandiri. Ay. Very, very good. My first time and it's worth it.
Do you think ma-finish na mo all?
Let's see. Di ko kinaya kasi you know why? Kumakain lang ako, nagre-refresh lang ako sa sarili ko, di ba? Tapos, ikuhaan ko coffee jelly! naman si Miss.
Hi, vlog. Oh my God.
Grabe yung kinain namin, guys.
Para bang office worker na.
Pwede rin i-madaw na mo, guys. We're on our way back to the bus. Okay, another destination na naman, guys. Guys, hindi ko na kaya cut off.
Guys, raise your cellophane, guys. Asan yung mga cellophane?
Pataas ang cellophane.
Pataas. Ready na sila.
Ready na kayo sila, guys. Okay, magsusuka na daw sila, which is I don't like. Matag din sila magsuka, guys, because I don't want to hear anyone. Bro, hindi ko galing ano, bro. Oh, I'm so freaking... Uy! So, here we are, guys, to our next destination. Where are we at? We're at the Parian, Cebu City. Ang Ines Paloma! Anong mukha na yan?
And then, have you also wondered if that cross is the real cross?
Yes.
No? Yes, that's
I have
correct, because
rounded.
that is only a case ng Shalira and the real cross is inside of it. Because way back before, you know, we
Guys, we're here inside the basilica because the nature is calling. Am I right? Guys, we tried looking for Tatay, but I think he's not siya sa labas and I think it will take a lot of time. Kisha, we're gonna try and look for Tatay because we wanna get the traditional photo that Tatay will always take, and it's actually very memorable, right? It's like a core memory. Plus, we're also going to have Tatay, so I'm very happy to see him soon. So I hope that we're going to have enough time. Hey guys. Guys, unfortunately, we haven't seen Tatay, and our time is up. Yes, we found a photographer. I think it's not Tatay, right?
1, 2. Okay.
So we're here at our last destination, which is the National Museum. Ay, bawal mag-video. Guys, we're done with our last destination. I think we're gonna go home now. We are the first ones to like come back because ang init talaga. I mean, it was nice there, but it isn't like allowed to take videos. Anyways, Kisha is low bat already, not with her phone, but with her energy. Look at her! What happened? Oh, diba, non-verbal na naman siya, guys. So, yeah. Uuwi na kami kasi this will be our last destination. It was a good day, isn't it? Well, yeah, I'm gonna update you guys if we're at school already. Bye!
Alright, we will also distribute our snacks as well. So,
Thank you, sir. Leona.
is the EcoScape Travel and Tours. I am more than happy to see you guys. I mean girls and guys. Because I hope that you learned from me, did you? And I hope you learned something from me and then use this one as your tools. And then in the future, I'd love to see your beautiful faces with flying colors. Again, in our mother tongue, daghang salamat. Okay, in behalf of Mikoy and also our tour coordinator, which is Miss L. Miss L. Okay, again, daghang salamat sa inyo. Okay, and again, we will also see each other around. Cebu is quite really small, so we're very happy to see you in the future as well. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Manaog na ko, bye-bye.
Hey guys, I just woke up. We're now here at UCLM.
We're back.
That's the end of our educational tour, guys. I hope that you enjoyed.